This side of the bonnet in here is a little bit shaky, so what I've seen is that strap under there is actually broken and this one isn't, and I can see on this side that it's lost its spring. So I'm going to try and take out that split pin and take off these and actually try and do a little fixing job in there. If I can, I'll get a better look at it anyway. So all that was wrong was this needed to be bent a little bit. I took off the other side as well and I realised that slides in on top of there. It wasn't actually broken, and it has to create a bit of a spring, like a leaf spring. So you line it up, shove it in behind there, keep a bit of pressure on it and tighten everything down. And when you tighten everything down roughly in the right place there, you can judge by the paint, that seems to put pressure on this upwards, and that stops the rattling against this bracket here. I'm also going to have a go now to hitch up this wire onto that connection there and get this works as a kind of a starter solenoid switch, and when your high-low is in neutral it actually joins up those two connections, and that allows power to the key and then from there to the solenoid and then to the starter. So I'm going to go and see if I can connect this up the way it should be. So after doing a little check there with the multimeter, I'm getting power to one side and I'm not getting the other side at all. So what's wrong is that switch is dying or it's dead. So I've tidied up things on the other side a little bit. All the wires coming into this voltage regulator box were coming down all around here, so I've put them all in behind. And this yellow jumper wire still has to be used as it's going up there to the key. And then when I do get a new switch fitted, I'll be able to fit the wire from the loom to there, and that'll get rid of that, make it look a bit more tidier. So but things are after tidying up a little bit. I'm sort of after doing a bit of sorting on wires here with some brackets and stuff like that, just to tidy everything up a little bit more. So onwards and upwards.